Hello, in this video I'm gonna show one science experience that the kids love to do it, okay? So if it requires water, so I recommend you to do in a place that they can splash water if there is no problem, okay? Basically, what they need to do is they need to identify if the object are sinking or floating, okay? So you provide them a big container with water and some objects. So you can choose any objects that you have available. Just make sure that you have some objects that float and some that sink, okay? Because the kids need to understand the difference. So here I chose one spoon, one coin, one paper clips, one key, and one block, okay? And in this sheet, what I'd like the kids to do, they're gonna draw the object here, and they're gonna color. If sink, they're gonna color just this one. If it's float, they're gonna color the second one, okay? This sheet I took from a website. I'm gonna leave in the description here, so they give this, they give them. So this sheet I took from a website. It's available online, so I put in the description here the website that they can take this, okay? So what the kids need to do, they just need to put the object inside and check what happens. For example, the spoon. What happens to the spoon? It floats, so they need to draw the spoon here. So I don't have so good skills for drawing, but the kids for sure they're gonna draw much better than me. And then they need to color because it floats. So they need to color only this one to indicate that's floating. Okay? The second object, for example, the coin. And if you are with the kids, you can ask them what they think is gonna happen, okay? So the coin, it sink. So they need to color the sink one. And this one, paper clips, you ask them, what do you think is gonna happen? So the paper clip, it sink as well. And the key, what do you think? It sinks also. And the block, so the block, float. And that's it, okay? So for this activity, they love to do that. So you can, for example, give them small containers for them to play around. Or if you don't want a big mess, just give them small objects like that. Okay, so that's it. You can use any object that you have available. Thank you so much.